Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be cooking up New York strip steak in the oven. Let's begin. I bought this from Costco and it's around $7.99 a pound from Costco. Let's open it up. We'll be grabbing 2 of these. So the steak is around 1.5 inches thick. And let's start seasoning them. The first seasoning we're going to add is some sea salt. Make sure to get the size too. We're going to add some garlic powder. Turn them over. Do the same thing. Some onion powder. And lastly, some black pepper. Make sure to get some of the seasoning on the sides. Okay, we have it seasoned and we're going to add some olive oil. Okay, we're going to take the seasoned steak, we're going to put it in a bag. And we're going to seal it up. For best results in flavor, we're going to let it sit overnight in the fridge and we'll be back. Okay, we allowed the steak to sit in the fridge overnight. Now we're going to preheat the oven. Okay, we're going to set it to bake, and we're going to set the temperature to 450. Let's start. We're going to let it preheat and we'll be back. Okay, the oven is preheated to 450 degrees, and we have the stove top on high, and we're going to put some oil and cook up some awesome steaks. We're going to sear it first before we put it in the oven. Make sure the pan is coated. And let's sear one side for 2 minutes. Smells really good so far. Okay, we seared one side for 2 minutes, and now we're gonna sear the fat. We're gonna sear the fat side for 30 seconds. Okay, we seared the side with the fat for 30 seconds, and we're going to put the raw side down. We're going to put the raw side down, the uncooked side, and we're going to turn off the heat. Okay, now we're going to, but before we put it in the oven, we're going to put butter. We're going to put some butter on top. There we go. We're going to leave it in there for 450 degrees for 11 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 11 minutes at 450 degrees. Let's take the steaks out. Oh boy, looking good. Really hot too. Smells good. Looks great. Let's put it on the cutting board. Okay, we're gonna let it rest for 5 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, let's get it open. Looking good. Nice and juicy and tender. It's really nice and juicy and tender. Okay, this is what we have today. Steak made in the oven. It's my favorite way of making steak. You should give it a try. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.